Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone after iOS 18.2 update. After uploading to iOS 18.2, I found myself stuck. Face ID just wouldn't unlock my phone anymore and it kept asking me for my passcode instead. If you're also dealing with Face ID issues after the update, you are definitely not alone. This video will walk you through some troubleshooting steps. So in the first step, you have to ensure that your face is fully visible. Face ID works best when your face is fully visible and unobstructed. Or you can opt for another step, that is adding an alternate appearance. If Face ID is still acting up, it might be worth adding an alternate appearance. For this, go to Settings, scroll down, go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode, tap Set up an alternative appearance, tap Get started, follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face. Alternative appearance is now set up and you're done. Now I'm going to tell you how to fix this issue by resetting Face ID. If you are still experiencing issues, resetting Face ID might be the next best step. This can help clear any glitches or errors that might be causing the problem. For this, go to Settings, scroll down, open Face ID and Passcode, enter your passcode, scroll down, tap on Reset Face ID. Scroll down. Now you can set up Face ID again. You are done. So in the next step, I'm going to tell you how viewing the Face ID DUMS can fix the issue. Go to Settings, scroll down, open Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Open the link about Face ID and privacy. Read the terms. You can view all the terms and you are done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to check content and privacy restrictions. Sometimes content and privacy restrictions can interfere with Face ID functionality. Make sure these settings are allowing Face ID to work properly. For this, go to Settings, scroll down, tap on Screen Time, scroll down, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, scroll down, make sure Face ID and Passcode is allowed, and you're done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.